Every stitch matters when choosing a sewing machine built for performance and reliability. The best Juki sewing machines are known for their smooth operation, durable construction, and professional quality results. Whether you're quilting, garment sewing, or handling heavy fabrics, the right Juki model can improve accuracy, speed, and overall sewing experience. In this guide, we'll explore the top options to help you find the perfect machine for your projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 5. Juki DDL8700 Juki Sewing Machine. The Juki DDL8700 is a professional-grade industrial sewing machine designed for users who need speed, durability, and consistent stitch quality. Built with Juki's well-known industrial engineering, this machine is ideal for tailors, alteration businesses, upholstery shops, and experienced sewists who regularly work on large volumes of sewing projects. One of its biggest strengths is the lock-stitch mechanism, which creates clean, strong, and professional-looking stitches suitable for a wide variety of fabrics. The included table, servo motor, and lamp make it a complete workstation, allowing users to begin setting up a productive sewing environment without purchasing major accessories separately. This servo motor provides smooth and efficient operation while consuming less power than traditional clutch motors. It also offers better speed control, which can be especially helpful when working on detailed sewing tasks. The sturdy metal construction contributes to the machine's durability and long service life, making it a reliable investment for commercial environments. Another advantage is the machine's ability to maintain stitch consistency even during long sewing sessions. The spacious work area makes handling large pieces of fabric easier, which is beneficial for garment production and home decor projects. Users who sew professionally will appreciate the machine's ability to operate for extended periods without sacrificing performance.
Number 4. Juki HZL-HT740 Juki Sewing Machine. The Juki HZL-HT740 is a versatile computerized sewing machine designed to deliver convenience, precision, and durability for a wide range of sewing applications. Whether you're creating garments, home decor projects, quilts, or crafts, this machine offers features that simplify sewing while maintaining excellent stitch quality. One of the standout features is the automatic thread trimming function, which cuts both upper and lower threads simultaneously, saving valuable time and reducing thread waste. This feature works alongside the dedicated thread cutter button, providing even greater convenience during continuous sewing sessions. The automatic needle threader further enhances usability by making threading quick and effortless, reducing frustration and minimizing eye strain. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, the HZL-HT740 provides excellent stability and durability, helping ensure long-lasting performance even with frequent use. The stainless steel bed plate creates a smooth sewing surface that allows fabrics to glide easily beneath the presser foot, improving stitch consistency and reducing resistance when working with delicate or heavier materials. Adjustable stitch length and width settings allow users to customize stitches for various sewing techniques and creative applications.
Number 3. Juki MCS-1500 Juki Sewing Machine. The Juki MCS-1500 is a specialized cover stitch machine designed for sewists who want professional-looking hems, decorative stitching, and durable seam finishes. Unlike traditional sewing machines, this model focuses on cover stitching and chain stitching, making it an outstanding addition to any sewing room, particularly for garment makers and knit fabric enthusiasts. Featuring 3 needles and the ability to create both 3-thread cover stitches and 4-thread chain stitches, the MCS-1500 offers versatility for finishing activewear, t-shirts, knit garments, and stretch fabrics. One of its most appealing features is its impressive sewing speed of up to 1,350 stitches per minute, allowing users to complete projects efficiently without sacrificing stitch quality. The machine is engineered to produce smooth, professional finishes that closely resemble ready-to-wear garments found in retail stores.
Threading is often one of the more intimidating aspects of cover stitch machines, but Juki addresses this challenge with clearly marked color-coded threading guides that simplify setup and reduce confusion.
Number 2. Juki Haruka Juki Sewing Machine. The Juki Haruka is a premium sewing and quilting machine designed for serious sewists who demand professional-level performance and advanced fabric handling capabilities. Inspired by the engineering found in Juki industrial sewing machines, the Haruka brings industrial-grade technology into a home sewing environment. One of its most impressive features is the floating presser foot system, which can lift between 0 and 2 millimeters above the fabric surface. This innovative mechanism helps prevent uneven feeding when sewing difficult materials, such as velvet, quilts, layered fabrics, and stretchy knit materials. As a result, users can achieve smoother seams and more consistent stitch quality across a variety of projects. The machine excels at handling thick seams and bulky fabric transitions, making it especially valuable for quilting enthusiasts and garment makers working with multiple fabric layers. Another standout feature is the separate attachment mounting plate, designed for installing guides and additional sewing accessories. This thoughtful design not only expands the machine's versatility, but also helps extend its lifespan, because the mounting plate can be replaced if wear occurs over time. The adjustable LED lighting system provides excellent visibility around the needle area and allows users to choose between high, medium, low, or off settings depending on the project and working environment.
Number 1. Juki HZL-F600 Juki Sewing Machine. The Juki HZL-F600 is a highly versatile computerized sewing and quilting machine designed to meet the needs of beginners, hobbyists, and advanced sewists alike. Combining ease of use with an impressive selection of advanced features, this machine stands out as one of Juki's most popular models for creative sewing. One of its biggest strengths is the extensive library of 255 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, stretch, alphabet, and buttonhole stitches. This wide variety allows users to tackle everything from everyday garment repairs to detailed quilting and decorative embroidery-style projects. Whether creating custom clothing, home decor items, or intricate quilt designs, the machine provides the flexibility needed to bring creative ideas to life. The easy-to-read LCD display simplifies stitch selection and machine adjustments. With the push of a button, users can browse available stitch patterns and instantly view their choices on the screen. This intuitive interface reduces the learning curve and makes operation straightforward, even for those new to computerized sewing machines. The automatic needle threader is another valuable feature that eliminates the frustration of manually threading the needle while reducing eye strain. Combined with the jam-resistant bobbin system, the machine offers a smoother and more enjoyable sewing experience. That wraps up our list of the best Juki sewing machines. Each model offers unique strengths, whether you need advanced features, heavy-duty performance, or everyday reliability. Consider your sewing goals, budget, and preferred features to find the right fit. Choose wisely and enjoy smoother, more enjoyable sewing projects ahead.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.